Oh, there's something right there. Where does that go? Aha. That's twisty.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, so this thing, that's the charging thing. Charge this. That's fine. So they're on off. Maybe you can hide it. That's too small. I don't think I'll hide it there. No, Christians can't get that. You can try. I'm not putting it in that little hole. There's not enough room. So where's the on off button? Yeah, but is there an on off button for that? There is for this.
For battery. Ang dami naming battery guys. Nag-ready talaga kami. Four batteries. Ooh. Wow, cute. Oh my gosh.